In this video, you'll learn how to troubleshoot and resolve payment failures on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will identify the underlying issues and take appropriate actions to ensure your transactions are successfully processed. Start by checking your payment method. Verify that your credit or debit card, as well as your PayPal account, has sufficient funds available to cover the transaction. It is also important to confirm that the billing information linked to your payment method is accurate. Additionally, make sure that the expiration date of your card is still valid. This initial check can often resolve many payment issues. If the first payment method fails, consider trying a different payment option. If one card does not work, it is advisable to attempt another card or switch to PayPal for your transaction. This is a straightforward way to bypass potential issues. Next, examine your browser and network settings. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as these can sometimes interfere with online transactions. After that, try using a different web browser or switch to incognito mode. This can help eliminate any browser-related issues. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as an unstable connection can lead to failed payment attempts. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to contact your bank. Some banks have security measures in place that can block online transactions. Reach out to your bank's customer service to verify whether your payment is being blocked. They can provide insights into any restrictions that may be affecting your ability to make purchases online. If you've completed the previous steps and the payment still fails, your next course of action is to contact Stan Store support. Navigate to the help section by selecting More in your dashboard. Alternatively, you can email support at stan.store. When reaching out for assistance, provide detailed information, including the product you are attempting to purchase, the amount and the payment method you are using. This information will help expedite the support process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.